I've covered this in various videos prior to this. However, I thought I'd include a separate video having a look at those who take a chance at an intersection. We have the driver of the green vehicle and red vehicle both waiting for the traffic light to go green. As soon as the traffic light goes green, the driver of the red vehicle quickly takes a chance in trying to cross through the intersection before the driver of the green vehicle pulls off. And this could be for a number of reasons. It could be that the driver of the red vehicle's in an extreme hurry or rush. It could be that the driver of the green vehicle has hesitated after the traffic light has gone green, maybe has been distracted in some way, and so due to that time delay, the driver of the red vehicle thinks, well, he'll quickly take a chance before the driver of the green vehicle pulls off. Or it could be that behind the driver of the green vehicle, there's a long line of vehicles, so that once the traffic light goes green, it's going to take quite some time for all these vehicles to pass before the driver of the red vehicle gets the opportunity to now cross through the intersection. Let's have a look at this. In the real life clip, we'll notice that once these vehicles have passed through the intersection and the traffic light goes green, the driver on the far side quickly takes a chance in trying to cross through the intersection before the camera now pulls off. So what likely happened here is that this driver was focused on the camera. In his trying to quickly shoot through the intersection, his attention was now on whether the camera is going to pull off and hadn't taken note of any traffic that's in motion coming down the lane just to the left of the camera. And so when a vehicle does, it catches this driver by surprise. In the next animation, what we have is the driver of a yellow vehicle traveling down the side road at right angles to the driver of the red vehicle. He's now got his attention focused on the driver of the yellow vehicle because he's wanting to shoot across the intersection on a red traffic light. So he's waiting now for the driver of the yellow vehicle to pass. But in having his attention focused on this side of the intersection, fails to take note of the approaching driver of the green vehicle coming in the opposite direction. In the real life clip, we see exactly this setup now. We've got a driver on the far side, his attention no doubt focused on these vehicles that are passing through the intersection, wants to quickly try and shoot across the intersection. So as soon as these vehicles are clear, he moves across, but fails to take note of any vehicles coming from the opposite side. He gets caught out also by surprise. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.